Hey champion, how's everything? How's the train?
Great.
Wonderful, wonderful. Good going.
My house.
My house.
My papi dana.
My papi dana. My papi dana. This octagon on December 12 is gonna be historic. Tell me, Davidson.
Buy the pay-per-view.
By the pay-per-view. Yes, because you know you're gonna be part of the history. The first time a fighter is gonna defend his belt in 21 days. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go do it. Let's go do it. The pay-per-view is gonna be historic. December 12. Historic. The first time. This the people need to understand.
Felt good. Got in today. Did a drill. Sweating. I still feel fast, explosive. Rib didn't feel great, but it's a work in progress. So no fight news yet, but I just want to get in and see if I can move. Get it in. Next year, I don't know when, I don't know who, but I know it's next year. What's up? I'm chilling, training, getting back in here, mixing it up. Go for the belt, for sure, man. I ain't giving up the hope to get back what's mine. It's not like I'm a person that ever had it, never been at the top against killers, so for sure. Me versus Chiesa, I don't know. I mean, is people calling me out these days? Because I've been chilling. And I ain't heard nobody, oh, everybody, I want to fight Tyron. Shit, for a little minute, everybody wanted to fight me, didn't they? Niggas ain't in my weight class want to fight.
Wouldn't be a matchup for me like that. I mean, I like his style. He's a fighter. Seeing that he's a matchup for me ain't no matchup. That's not even talking shit. I just know what I can do. Izzy clipped him and dropped him. If I hit him, he's dead. Who's your most entertaining fighter to watch? There is no, specific fighter I like to watch. Conor or Dustin. I think Dustin is going to win. I think he's hungrier. Conor made his mark. He's a hell of a fighter. But I think Dustin is just on a mission to do what he got to do. Conor came in, made his money, made his mark, chilling, living a good life, able to take care of his family. That's what every man wants to do. And he became champion by being one of the best in the world. As in Jose, beating Eddie. Like, he's no punk. He's fought the best of the best. You're gonna make it next, right? Hey, boy, these Conor McGregor fans come out of nowhere, and start talking shit. Like, Conor's a god to them. If he said get on your knees and give me head, they'll do it. Like, it's a difference between being a fan and being a dick rider. And most of these motherfuckers dick riders when it comes to certain shit. I get having a fan base, and a loyal fan is always good. But some people, you can tell they just giving head whenever it comes to certain people.
What about John Jones? If you beat Curtis, would you be interested in the Jones fight?
It don't matter. It just had to renegotiate my contract. Even though I have one more fight after this Curtis fight on my contract anyway, so it'd probably be perfect timing.
Yep. Do you want to stick around?
Yeah, I would like to stick around, yeah.
How do you think John will do as a heavyweight? You think this is a good move for him?
I think it would be a great move for him. You just got to look at the other heavyweights out there. It's like, ain't nothing really spectacular that's in my eyes that really stand out that will give him any trouble,
You think he can win the belt up there?
I believe he can, because I believe he walk around heavier than Stipe does anyways. Stipe fights at like 230 and Jones walk around at 240. So he's already a heavyweight anyways.
I feel like a bigger fight for you that would get you more attention is the John Jones fight as opposed to the title fight.
Yeah, it really don't matter. I'm not doing it for attention. I don't know why. That's why I don't be doing interviews with you, boy.
Why?
Y'all ask me the same question over and over. What I'm saying is, it don't matter who I fight.
No, I know, but I'm just saying it's an interesting fight. Like, John Jones is a big name. That's all.
Yeah, I'm a big name too.
I know. Yes, I know. That's why I want to talk to you.
your suspension is coming to an end. You're gonna be thrown right back into the you know, big fights, title fights, media. Like, as you're sitting here now, kind of knowing that that's coming, how are you feeling about it? Like, all the attention that's going to be back on it, and it's not just the attention, it's like, you know, the attention and paired with, you know, what you're off of.
It's for sure gonna be a lot of unwanted attention, you know, but I guess that is the whole reason of what USADA is doing and what you're doing in Clinic to Sport, is that people don't want to be ridiculed. You don't want to be thrown through that bullshit. And so, yeah, sure, the 2-year suspension sucked, but also ruining your reputability and also what you're going to deal with after it is even more painful, you know? So, I mean, being, and I feel like I was super in the limelight for it, so it made it even worse. But you know, that's what makes it, you know, such a decision to make, you know. You know, and hopefully I lead by example of not what to do. You know, don't do it.
Do you feel like there's more pressure on you now than there ever was? That you almost got something to prove now, that, like, because I mean, in a way, you know, you've talked about this before, that they went back and tested all your B samples from like years ago and they didn't find anything. But, you know, a lot of fans don't care about that. They just say, like, he cheated. He probably cheated the whole time, you know. And if you come back and lose, then they're going to be like, see, he's no good without it. I mean, do you that's a narrative that'll be out there. Like, is that add pressure to this comeback?
That'll probably add some pressure, I'm sure. You know, I mean, just dealing with everyone's gonna add pressure. But I think what really makes me mad about those people that are gonna keep saying, like, not to have any common sense. Like, if I was able to get away with it for all them years, like, why would I choose not to get away with it again? Why would I choose not to and do the exact same thing that I was doing for however many years to pass these drug tests? And it's so dumb. But exactly what you said, I'm gonna have to deal with it. And I know that, and that is tough, you know. And it probably will add some pressure. But I've never been one to turn away from the fight. I've never been one to turn away from the pressure. So, you know, hopefully, just make me perform even better. And we'll see when that time comes. You know?